Hi friends, it's Stephen Tweed, CEO of Leading Home Care and founder of the Home Care CEO Forum. And I have a special invitation for you to join me on March the 14th, 2019 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania for the Home Care Business Builders Workshop. We're going to spend a full day helping you grow the business that you want to be. And this program is hosted by the Pennsylvania Homecare Association. Now, let me ask you a couple of questions. If you could wave your magic wand and make your home care company anything you want it to be, what would it look like? What's your vision for the future of your business? And what will it take to take your business from where you are now to where you want to be in the future? Well, as you know, I've spent the last 3 decades working with home care companies all across the US and Canada, and for the last 5 years, my focus has been on companies in the top 10%. That's companies that are $5 million or more in revenue, and we've learned some great lessons working with these larger companies. And so I've put together a proven 7-step process that we found works over and over and over again. And so we're going to start with your vision for the future. What would you like your company to look like 5 years from now? What are the core values that guide your thoughts and actions? How do you create a culture that attracts the kind of people who will help you fulfill your vision? What's your distinction? What is it that makes you and your company unique and different in the local marketplace? Home care has become almost a commodity. There are just 26,000 companies out there doing what you do. What makes you different? Why should a consumer buy from you? Why should a referral source refer to you? So what is your source of distinction? Then we're going to look at the 4 P's: purpose, people, processes, and performance, and give you some specific detailed worksheets and action plans to grow your business in each of those 4 areas. Now, our format for today will be this. We'll take each of those 7 topics. I'll present some ideas, some examples, some illustrations. I'll talk about specifically what you can do in this area. Then we're going to give you a worksheet and let you work individually or with somebody else from your company. And after that, we'll have a roundtable discussion where you'll get to have some conversation with 6 or 7 other people at your table. And then finally, we'll debrief the whole thing with the full group. And we expect a pretty good turnout for this session. You're going to go home with a workbook and a draft of a strategic business growth plan that you can implement to take your business to whatever level you would like your business to be. And we've seen some amazing examples of people growing their home care businesses. So write it down right now. March the 14th, 2019, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We'll be at the Radisson Hotel, Philadelphia Northeast in Trevose, PA, right across the turnpike there. So it's easy access from the north, the south, the east, the west. And we'll be there from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., a full day program. So if you'd like to join us and come away with a strategy to grow your business, then register today. On the email or the blog you're looking at, there should be a registration button right down here, or you can go to pahomecare.org. That's the Pennsylvania Homecare Association, pahomecare.org. Click on the events link and it'll take you to the registration page. We're looking forward to it. See you there.